Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to automate an invoice system. In this invoice system we can save the invoice as Excel file, as PDF file. Also each and every invoice records will be recorded, and here we have a database and all. Single click we are going to serve these as Excel and PDF files. Also we are going to send the PDF attachment email to the each customers. So this is the file here we have in the desktop. You can keep this file wherever you want, renaming whatever folder name. So in that folder name, this Excel file, Excel project in automated invoice system project is here. Wherever this Excel file exists, keep two folders, renaming invoice PDF and invoice Excel. This is a micro enabled workbook. You can see this is saved at Excel SN. So after opening this, we will enable this content. You can see this is the invoice template. Here you have the invoice number. You can have the invoice number here. Purchase order number, date will be automated by today formula. Here terms, we can type the terms, how many days of the credit terms. We can select from the drop down. Here from this B9 cell, from this drop down we can select the customers. Those customers are from this sheet 2. Here you can record each and every customer's name, address and email addresses, everything. This is the third sheet. This is the record of invoice. Each and every invoice recorded, and the PDF links will be here as captioning. We can type the what are the products we need. Let's say laptop 5 quantity 200,000 rupees. For the VAT formula, here automatically I set this to 20% VAT. So one laptop is 40,000 VAT. So for 5 laptops 200,000 VAT. So totally 1 million. Here 1 million subtotal, 200,000 VAT, 1.2 million total. Here we can type our company details and bank account. So the customer will pay us to our bank details. Here you can see in the record of invoice until 20, invoice number 20 is here. So the next invoice number will be 21, that is automatically here. That will be automatically updated in this cell. You have to click this next customer button after filling the sales details. So invoice number will be automatically there. So you can type the PO number, date will be automatically there. You have to select the terms, then you have to select the customer only from this drop down. Now by clicking this next customer button, first invoice details will be recorded here. That is the first one. Then this particular invoice will be saved as Excel file here in this folder. You can see in invoice Excel. Then this invoice will be saved as PDF file in this invoice PDF, this folder, in this folder. You can see that is empty now. After that, this invoice will be emailed to the customers as PDF. Then after that, this invoice will come to a new template to prepare the next invoice. We will write this by clicking this next customer. Let's see. You can see, please find the invoice attached. We can modify according to the detail. Subject as invoice number 21 to this customer. It is going to send. Now it is in a display mode. If we set to send, that will be sent to the customer automatically. We will see the PDF invoice. You can see the invoice number, date, credit terms, the customer details, descriptions, everything, and total amount. Here we can have our company information. Okay, let's close this and let's see the folder, Excel file. You can see the invoice saved as Excel here. It is renamed as the invoice number and the customer name. Let's see the PDF invoice as well. That also saved as invoice number and the customer name. This is the one attached and sent to the customer via email. Now the next invoice number here 22. The previous invoice number was 21. That was recorded here. Today 16th March 2025 it was created. Invoice 45 days. The credit term April 40th will be the due date. So we can check our due date for each customers. This is the hyperlink served for that particular invoice PDF. We can click. See, the PDF invoice can be viewed. Now we will see the VB editor. Alt F11 function key. Here we declared global variables, invoice number as long, customer name as string, amount as currency, date issue as date, term as bytes. First of all, we are going to record this invoice. We are assigning this range to this invoice number C3. C3 is this one, invoice number. Range B9 we will assign to customer name, that is this one. Then amount, this H40 range, that is the total amount from here. This one assigned to a variable amount. Then C5 to date issued, C6 to term, that is this one. C5 this date, C6 the terms. The next record has range, the A comma B also has range. So we will set the next record A and B, that is here in the record of invoice sheet. If A not equal to B, through this code we can record the invoice details from this invoice template to this sheet by clicking this button. So the next one is how we are saving this invoice as Excel. File location and file as string we are declaring. So C3 and B9 cells are assigned as invoice number and customer name. Here file location is dynamic, fully dynamic location from this workbook in the invoice template. Here in this invoice template sheet, range P1. This is the interesting part. Range P1, that is hidden here. P1, that is, there is a formula you can see in the formula bar. This formula is here. Finally, this invoice Excel, that is the file here we renamed. Where this Excel project is going to be here, there we are going to put this folder renaming invoice Excel. That one here we renamed. Also, for us to save that as PDF, also invoice PDF, that is different, that will be renamed to this folder. Okay, now we will hide, that is P1 and P2. In the coding, that is for the P1 range is the file location to save the invoice as Excel file. So file name we are going to rename as invoice number and the customer name. Using this we are going to delete this all shapes. And here shapes will be deleted. This one of the shape, this is one of the shape. These both shapes will be deleted while saving this invoice as Excel file. So we will save the Excel file invoice and saving the invoice as PDF. Same as that is the dynamic file location, that is from P2 cell already, as I said here, that is hidden. After that we will save this it as PDF using this code. So Excel invoice also will be saved as PDF. Then we are going to send this PDF invoice to the customer via email. Finally, after doing these things, we have to prepare the new invoice. It means making the invoice template for the next customer. Then we will call 5 sub procedures in one particular sub procedure, that is record of invoice. We are calling them save as Excel, save as PDF, email, invoice as PDF, and new invoice. These are the sub procedures. See, this is the new invoice, that is the last one. So all 5 sub procedures are called under this new customer. By creating some shape here, we can assign, right click and assign micro. The next customer will be assigned to this shape. So now by clicking this next customer, all sub procedures will be called. But here in the order, this has to be here. First we have to record the invoice, then we have to save that as Excel, then we are saving that as PDF file, then we are sending that PDF to the customer, then the new invoice template will be ready for the next customer. That should be the order. So this is a dynamic invoice template to send the invoice to customers and write the invoice records, follow up for the payment procedures and customer database, everything in one project. So I will give this VBA coding in the comment section. You can find them, and thank you for watching.